in solidarity with our leader, Honorable Rahul Gandhi ji. And we also moved a congratulatory motion, which was disallowed. Why was it disallowed? We asked the Honorable Speaker, is it a crime? He has moved for 4,000 kilometers from Kanyakumari to Kashmir to spread love and happiness in this country, to stop this communal politics. So he was disqualified as member of parliament. Aj Pagadista, we requested the honorable speaker that this had to be listed. Also, we had moved another congratulatory motion regarding Gomantak and Navin Times. He said they've spent about 60 years, the first English daily and the first Marathi daily, and you all are the fourth pillar of our democracy. So he said that he would take that in the coming session. Secondly, you all must have seen जे हे सरकार स्वल्प जे हो मुख्यमंत्री आहा स्वल्प आन्सर दिता आनी जी आन्सरां दिताय ते इनकम्प्लीट दिताय. आज हांवें जे म्हगेलो प्रश्न आशिल्लो, very important prashna with regards to general administration and with regards to events. The answer are late. I had asked to postpone it. Then they brought the pretext that this question is already uploaded. You can check till now whether this answer has been uploaded. So it is all a breach of privilege. 48 hours आमी तो आन्सर दिवपाक जाय, स्वल्प आन्सर दिताय. हे सरकाराक म्हाका दिसता ऑपोजिशनाचें आमी सांगलोलें, minimum opposition, maximum performance. So it has been seen on the first day. So I, on behalf of both my colleagues as well as all the opposition MLAs, on the remaining 3 days as well, we will definitely take issues. There are definitely more issues on the next 3 days, and we will definitely corner this government, because this government has no right ethically in all the departments. I showed जे प्रशासन तुमच्या दारी झालं, प्रशासन तुमच्या दारी, ये सरकार पे पड़ गया भारी, ये लोग कह रहे हैं सारी. हे म्हाका दिसता सगळे MLA जे आमगेले गेल्ले, मुखेलमंत्री बरी हो केपें नंबर 1 थिंग पावलो मुखेलमंत्री म्हाराज, थिंगा हे पारोडाचे इश्यू आहले, अजून थिंगा हे वॉटर लॉगान तेशें आहाय. I raised that as well. So this government is just not bothered about the common man, and these problems we will definitely highlight.
Okay. Your say on the first.
I had raised point of order because on that solar boat, solar ferry, I was given only file notice. I know how to read files, and then I got a message also by saying that Sogle dile. I said, don't bluff me, because I know what is a file. There is a noting side, there is a correspondence side. And there is a scam in that. In the LAQ answer which they have given me, I asked them, did you make any study before ordering this boat? And answer is just no. So you never made a study. You just wanted to spend the money, or you wanted to eat commission. You wanted to give that money to someone, eat some money at the back door. I will bring this out, because the moment I get the second part of the file, you can take my word, I'm going to file a complaint, and I will take it wherever is necessary, whether Lok Ayukt or something. There's massive corruption in that boat. That boat is actually lying idle, and they say now they don't even have staff or trained staff to run that boat. How did you decide to have a boat when you don't even have the staff for it? And then you did not even work out the mathematics of that. Yes, only footing corner. This is all for looting. And as was rightly pointed out in the floor of the house, that Sarkar Tumche Dari, this become an extortion Tumche Dari.
Okay.
Another one point I would like to add with regards to what Dr. said with the solar renewable energy plan. The answer amka mela, that shows that 33.34 megawatts was Goa's contribution. And answer Delhi je mela, तेजेर जे आमचे राज्यसभाचे MP विनय तेंडुलकरान मागला, it has shown 22.34 kilowatts. 10 kilowatts हे म्हाका megawatts difference. So what is this? They boast about having double engines and all this. This is all short-circuited, absolutely no coordination and all chaos.
एल्टन तुमी एक विशय मांडलो की कॉलिंग अटेन्शनान तुमच्या ट्युरिजम बेल्टाचो शेकांचो कितें दादागिरी बचल्ल्या बा म्हणून
बाकीचे सगळे आमी लिडर ऑपरेशन दोतोर कालुसान सांगला से रिगार्डींग आमगे कॉलिंग एटेन्शनाचेर विदेशान काडलें ते फियर एंड एंग्जायटी इन द मायंड्स ऑफ द पीपल हे भायले जे लोक येन गोंयकारांक आमकां आमगे धंदो शिकयताय तेजेर हांवें एक स्पेसिफीक प्लेस इन खोला सांगला वे देर आर 3 प्लेसीस which are running without proper licenses, no sanitation, sewage connection ना तेंका, there is no access, and how the tourism department has issued them license. एक तितून 4 आहे ते एक गोंयकार आहा तेका ते दादार सांगताय 3 भायले जाण आहाय ते
परमिशन नासतना येवलें
आता परमिशन आसपा शकनाय दे डोंट हॅव एक्सेस आनी केबल एकल्या इलेक्ट्रिसिटी लायन लोय थंय भितरल्यान कितके घालून दिल्या वे देर इज अ टेम्पररी सेक्शन परमनंट कनेक्शन दिवपा जायना even for rooms. So this point I have done raised it, and it's a very serious thing where Goans have been neglected. Goinkaran dadari केले म्हाका आता हाय टायम आमी गोंयकारांक एकठांय गोंयकारांक धंदा तो गोंयकारां पासून सांबाळपा देव सो म्हाका दिसता हेजेर आतां मिटींग चलता आय एम अगेन अटेंडिंग दॅट मिटींग with the tourism minister, and I want to make it very clear these 3 places and which are looting people like anything 25-30,000 per night. हातोर फुडें रॉक्स फोन तितूंतल्यान कनेक्शन घायलो हांवें सकयल बिचीर वचपाक डिस्ट्रक्शन केलां झाड मारलें सो आय थिंक सो दीस 3 प्लेसीस आय वील डेफिनेटली पुट इट अप एंड आय वील सी दॅट आवर लोकल्स गेट जस्टीस हें सांगता आनी तितूंत मोदें आनी एक मुद्दम सांगता थिंग एकलो आनी एकलो कोण पंच एकला वीच इज डिफरंट थिंग पंचागे गोवा ही इज अ गव्हर्मेंट सर्वंट आय थिंक ही इज इन द पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट तो थिंगा हफ्तो घेता आनी बाकीच्या लोकांक हफ्तो घेता म्हूण आयकलां and I would, if you want, I can name that to the Honorable Chief Minister also. पंचा गेलो गो सो तेंकोळे बाकीच्या लोकां त्रास करून आपण एकलो थिंगा तेंगेले हफ्ते घेत म्हणून आयकलें सो दीस शुडंट बी हितून एकल्या फायदा 99% गोंयकार त्रास जाताय सो दीस थिंग्स हॅव टू बी पुट इन ऑर्डर.
Opposite the extortion matter has been closed now because today it was supposed to come in the calling attention. What?
See, that whether it was open or closed, that I think Honorable Michael Lobo will explain. He opens an issue and then closes it. According to Michael Lobo, whether it is closed. According to us, it is not closed. Such extortionists and racket ज़्यादा. It is happens only with the blessings of the department. People cannot go. Today people जे card shoot घालून दोग जाण दिसती पडले कार्ड सूट घालून भोंवताले अजून हाय वयर आहाय
ताका लागून तुमी असेंब्लीन काडले ते काय सूट घालून
कार्ड सूट मायकलान काडलो हाय वय काडले
तुवें काडून
दुसरे हे जीएडीन त्या तुम तेका जीएडीन जे इव्हेंट मॅनेजमेंटाचो जो घोटाळा आहा जवळ 25 ते 30 करोडाचो हो घोटाळो जे म्हाका दिसता ऑलमोस्ट 25 to 30 crores this GAD department basically as you all can see the cars that are lying there even Alton गाड पार्क करपा थिंग जागना so this is a complete chaos this GAD department general administration all these things are a complete mess.
Okay.